Before everything else, I want to app these ports, but I will app after. Now I want to talking about the DHCP helper address. You know better that DHCP helper address is used that another router automatically get an IP from the main router, which is run DHCP helper address. Now I want to configure or use DHCP helper address. Before everything else, I want to run DHCP helper address in router 1 and help whether router 2 in DHCP. I don't want to don't want to run DHCP in router 2. I want to run DHCP in a router 1 and automatically share the DHCP for router 2. For this I want to use a DHCP helper. Now I want to up all of ports, and after that I want to enter to the router 1. This is a main branch, and I want to run DHCP helper in this helper address in this router. These are the private IP, and public IP is also right, which is 1.1.0.0.1, and private IP is 192.168.0.1. And after that I want to write configure terminal, and now I want to write interface serial 2/3 2/3, and after that I want to write enter that. And now I want to write IP address of 1.0.0.1 1.0.0.1, and after the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0, and now I want to up the port, no shutdown, and now I want to exit from it. And after I want to give a IP to fast ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.168 192.168 0/1. Subnet mask is also 255.255.255.0, and I want to update. Now shut down, and now I want to exit from it. And after I want to exit, now I want to enter to router 2. And after that, after the entering of router 2, now I want to write configure terminal, and now I want to write interface serial 2/2 2/2. Yeah, I want to exit. I want to enter that, and now I want to write IP address 1.0.0.2, and 255.0.0 is the subnet mask, and up the port no shutdown. By no shutdown command, now I want to exit from it, and now I want to give an IP to fast ethernet port 0/0, and now I want to write IP address 172.16.0.1, and subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Now I want to update fast ethernet, and after that I want to exit from it. And now I want to run static routing or use a static routing. I want to write IP route. I mean the router 2. I want to write IP route 192.168 192. Yeah, I want to write 192.168.0.0. Subnet was 255.255.255.0, and public IP is 1.0.0.1. Now I want to enter that. Now I want to exit from it, and after I want to enter to the router 1. In the router 1 I want to write IP route. I want to use both of IPs. Like I want to write IP route 172.16.0.0, and subnet mask is 255.255.0.0, and also public IP is 1.0.0.2. I want to write that 1.0.0.2. I'm in the router 1, and I write the I told you before that static routing is used to administrative is manually select the part or Now I want to I want to ping, or yeah, 1.0.0.2. You can see that I can ping it. Yes. Now, and after these things, I want to run DHCP helper. I want to enter to the router one. I want to run a DHCP for both of router one and router two, and router one and router two. I want to run DHCP and router one for router two. You can say I want to write IPDCP pool router one, and network is I want to mention the network, which is 192.168.0.0, and the subnet mask is also 255.255.255.0, which is default subnet mask. Now I want to default router or gateway is 192.168.0.1, and DNS server is 8.8.8. Now I want to exit from it, and now I want to create another DHCP pool for the router 2 and router 1. I want to exit from it, and now I want to write IP DHCP pool router 2, create a pool for router 2, and now I want to write the IP which is 172 network 172.16.0.172.16.0.0. Subnet mask is also 255.255.0.0. And now I want to write the default gateway or router, which is 172.16.0.0, and DNS is 8.8.8. And now I want to exit from it, and after I want to enter to the router 2 to write the command of DHCP helper, which is I want to enter the fast ethernet port interface fast ethernet 0/0. Write interface fast ethernet 0/0 in router 2, and I want to write IP helper address. I want to give a help in address from the router 1, which is 1.0.0.1. Yeah, I want to exit from it. Now I want to enter to the to the PCs, or I want to enter to the PC of router 1 to check it. Is the router 1 PC get a IP from the router 1 or not? I want to clear this hash. This hash is used for what? This hash, yeah. I want to enter. You can see that door. Yeah, I can get it IP from the first router, which is 192.168.0.2. And after that, I want to write ping 192.168.1.0.1. You can see I can ping it. And after that, I want to check it the another one. Now I want to edit that. I want to clear these hashes that which this hash is used for. Yeah, this is a default. I want to clear this, but I want to run my DHCP. This one is a default DHCP. I want to clear this. Now I want to run my DHCP. Now I want to start and enter to the console to see it is a get an IP from the router 1 or not. You can see it. I can get it IP. I want to ping it 192.168.0.1. You can see I can ping it. Now I want to enter to the router 2 that I didn't create any DHCP, and I didn't run any DHCP, but I want to stop that and enter to the config. I want to clear these hashes, and after that I want to see it. You can see that I can get IP from the first router, because this is the main branch in DHCP is run in the first router. That's the way. But you can see it. Yes, I can get it. I can get it IP from the first router, not from the second router, because DHCP run in router 1. This is a DHCP helper, and I yeah, my PC, my router is the client, like a client. You can see it. I want to ping it 172.16.0.1. You can see it. I can ping it, my gateway. Now I want to ping 192.160 router 1 IP 1. Yeah, you can see that I can ping it, this one. uh, Minimize it, or you can check it, the benefits of DHCP helper. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.